Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Instabridge app on Android phone. So if you use this app to search Wi-Fi in your city or in your place, but you cannot use this app before this app keep asking you to become your Instabridge as default launcher. So you can uninstall these apps easily by go to the Play Store. But before that, as you can see, if you tap this home button, you can go directly into the Play Store here and try to uninstall from the Play Store instead from your app management, because sometimes you cannot see the uninstall button because you set Instabridge as your default launcher. But you do not worry, you can go to the Play Store and uninstall this app from this Google Play Store. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.